Welcome to the ESChat tutorial on how to make an alert call from the Contacts tab for D-pad devices. Alert calls are a request to talk rather than a PTT barge call. The alert call feature provides more flexibility and control over interactions, making it a valuable tool for effective communicating. To begin, long press on the desired contact until the secondary menu appears. Then select Alert Call. The recipient will receive a notification that a user is trying to contact them and will have the option to answer or ignore the alert call. The sender also has the option to cancel the alert call by pressing the soft key located beneath the Cancel option.
Upon call connection, the app will automatically navigate to the in-call screen, where users can see the call participants and details about the call. The call will idle time out when the configurable hang timer expires, or you may manually end the call by pressing the return button on the device.
For additional assistance, visit the ESChat support page.